In Flared2, we have rewritten the occlusion system, which finally no longer requires baking. It now works directly in the viewport, with the ability to adjust some parameters to control at what distance the light begins to diminish and at what speed this reduction happens. To make everything work, simply place the objects that act as obstacles inside a collection and select that collection to calculate the automatic occlusion. The system works well with any type of shape. Sometimes, tweaking the parameters is necessary to achieve the desired result. We are still experimenting with additional implementations and types of automation that can provide even more tools for users. Don't miss out, Flared2 is available for pre-order, at a promotional price, only on Blender Market. Use the code of Flared Rules to immediately get Flared XT, the version currently on the market, and you'll receive Flared2 for free upon its release on November 7th. For more information, check the description below this video. Thanks.